What's good, you guys? It's your boy Rob. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about A$AP Rocky, his trial, and the biggest plot twist since Maury told a dude, "You are not the father." Let's get into it.
Rihanna, you look fabulous.
Carrying one of her children in her arms, a friend carrying another. Rihanna surprised everyone arriving to court with her two sons with Rocky.
Are you hoping this wraps up today?
He walked into court with his fate and freedom about to be put in the jury's hands.
A$AP, you glad this is almost over?
Rihanna brought her children inside the courtroom, the jury no doubt hearing one of them making noise.
Want you to believe.
As she held one of them in her lap, entertaining him with the Little Mermaid book, Rihanna was seen shushing one of the babies before leaving the courthouse during a break, then returning without their kids.
This is not a difficult case.
Prosecutors claim Rocky fired a semi-automatic pistol at his then friend A$AP Rocky 3 years ago.
That man decided, for whatever reason, that he was going to settle his dispute with a gun. The only question that you are here to answer is, that night in Hollywood, did Mr. Mayers have a real gun or a fake gun?
Rocky's attorneys argued the weapon was indeed a prop gun that the rapper got from this music video that he filmed with Rihanna. Before closing arguments, a tour manager testified Rocky started carrying the gun that only shoots blanks after security scares at his home.
Security and I thought it would be a good idea.
Why?
Well, because of the prior violence, it's just a non-lethal form of self-defense.
Prosecutors had charged the hip-hop star in a case of did he or didn't he fire in self-defense at rapper A$AP Rocky. This all caught on security camera in 2021.
He shot the first shot. I felt my hand hot, so I grabbed it, used him as a shield. He's going around trying to shoot me.
On the stand, Relly, aka Terrell Efron, testified that a heated dispute became physical. He claimed it led to his former friend firing twice at him, grazing his knuckles, all caught on tape.
Where on your hand felt hot?
My left hand, just right above my knuckles.
A$AP, we're gonna see you on the stand today?
Rocky wasn't answering our questions earlier this week outside of court. Inside, he did answer the judge, making a decision that may have proved consequential.
Totally your decision to either get on the stand or waive your right to testify and not testify.
I'm on my right to not testify.
But this saga doesn't end with this trial. Relly has filed civil lawsuits against Rocky as well. We're updating developments at extratv.com.
Alright, so boom. A$AP Rocky, Harlem's own fashion-forward rapper, was this close to catching a 24-year bid. The charge? He allegedly pulled out the blicky on his former homie A$AP Rocky and let off a few shots in Hollywood, because apparently, beef is no longer handled with diss tracks, but with Call of Duty side quests. And get this, Relly says a bullet even grazed his knuckles. Now, I ain't saying that's cap, but let's be real. If somebody missed your entire body and only clipped your hand, I don't know if they were really trying to hit you, or if they just got stormtrooper aim. Here's where things take a turn. Rocky's legal team pulled up like they were in Phoenix Wright, Ace Attorney, and hit the court with two options. 1. Your Honor, my client fired blanks. It was all Hollywood magic. 2. And if he did fire real shots, it was self-defense. So wait a minute. You mean to tell me he either shot fake bullets, or he had to do it? That's like getting caught cheating and saying, it wasn't me. But if it was, she came onto me first. And the jury? Oh, they ate it up. After just 3 hours, they were like, nah, we good. And boom, not guilty.
Mayers. Not guilty.
Rocky just dodged the biggest L of his career like he was in the Matrix. Oh, but hold up. Let's talk about the real MVP of this trial, Rihanna. Now, when your girl pulls up to support you in court, that's love. But when Rihanna pulls up with your kids during closing arguments, that's next level emotional warfare. Picture the jury, thinking about the case, weighing the evidence, then bam! Rihanna walks in with the babies. You know somebody on that jury was like, damn, if we lock him up, These kids grow up without a dad, and Rihanna might drop another sad album. I can't have that on my conscience. Now let's keep it 100. Rocky winning this case is cool and all. But would this have happened if he wasn't famous? Because listen, black men don't usually get this kind of luck in court. We've seen folks get thrown under the jail for way less. Some guy in Alabama probably just got 5 years for stealing a Snickers bar. Rocky had money, elite lawyers, and the Rihanna effect. Your average dude? All he got is a public defender named Todd, who just started his job last week. And let's be real, the system loves making an example out of black celebrities. Michael Vick went to jail for dogs. Plaxico Burress went to jail for shooting himself. And yet Rocky allegedly lets off shots at another human being and walks. Something ain't adding up. Now the internet detective's been going crazy with theories. Some folks swear this was a whole publicity stunt, because let's be honest, Rihanna could have just sent a lawyer. But she showed up in person? Others think this was all a distraction. Like, while we were focused on Rocky, the government was probably out here signing trillion-dollar bills in the background like, don't mind us, keep talking about that trial. I don't know what's real or fake anymore, but I do know one thing. Rocky just pulled off one of the slickest escapes we've seen in a minute. So let's break it down one more time. Rocky walks free. Rihanna pulled up with the ultimate power move. The internet is in shambles. But the real question is, was justice actually served, or did Rocky just have the right cheat code? Drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think. Is this a W for Rocky, or just another example of the system playing favorites? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because trust me, we got more heat coming soon. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think about these topics in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And above all else, stay safe out here. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.